Okay, Meg, first of all, kamusta ka?
I'm good. I'm super good. Busy with my life, with business and with sports. Yes.
Parang for the longest time, parang medyo malayo ka sa limelight ng showbiz.
Yes.
Bakit? Ano pinagkaabalahan mo?
Well, siguro nag-rest din ako, and then I'm quite busy with business during the pandemic, and then after noon parang I want to focus on myself also, yung sa sarili ko muna. But I still do naman like I did sa Net25, very light lang siya. So pag mga ganun naman, tumatanggap pa rin naman ako. It's just that not too heavy drama.
Bakit? Bakit parang medyo naging mapili ka sa pagtanggap ng projects?
Hindi naman sa mapili, but siguro and for the longest time kasi parang bata pa lang ako, nag-aartista na ako. So parang work, bahay lang ako, school. So wala akong chance to give myself time or a break, diba? Like travel, try this thing. So yun din, and then I guess yun yung pinagkakaanuhan ko, kaya but na-miss ko talagang bumalik.
Meg, ang dami lang, curious lang kami, ang payat mo.
Thank you! Thank you! Oh my God!
Anong ginawa mo?
Aside from the diet, with the help of my doctor, yung diet ko, kasi nahirapan din naman ako because of my PCOS. But I'm doing now regular padel, na it's like a tennis na siya yung nagiging every break ko, yun ang ginagawa ko. So, mas active than before, you know.
Mention yung PCOS. Kailan mo siya na-discover? Or kailan ka na-diet?
Well, long time ago pa. But for the longest time talaga nahihirapan na ako talagang bawas ng timbang noon. Like, papayat ka rin, babalik na naman. And then, ang dami, like your energy. So, I'm like, ang tagal kong So, siguro when I mature, mas na-accept ko na I really have to change my lifestyle. I really need to focus on my health kasi doon ka na nakakaramdam ng mga kung ano-ano. So, I guess, yeah, dagdag din yun sa why I stopped. So, I really want to take care of myself also, my health.
Naging mahirap ba yung process mo ng losing weight?
Etong payat ko na to, ito yung pinakapayat ko, I think. So, yes, nahirapan ako kasi I really need to be strict on my diet. Like, I really need to cut off fats. I really need yung oily. So, wala talaga. And then, no sweets. So, which I love sweets. So, mahirap, pero parang sabi ko nga, hindi na yung pumayat yung goal ko. It's to be healthy. You know? Ayoko nung pag nagkaedad ako, like, nahirapan ako umupo, tumayo, lumakad or something. So, yan. Naiba lang yung perception ko when it comes to health and pagpapapayat.
Dati ano yung waistline mo, ngayon ano na yung waistline mo?
Okay, so before,
nag-start ka na
siguro nung before, nasa medium lagi ako when it comes to like shopping, diba, clothes. So now, nasa extra small. So,
big achievement, ano?
Yes, super big achievement yun. So I have to like let go of some, kasi nag-travel ako sa Europe last time for my birthday. I gained a lot of weight, like 64 kilos. And then, pagbalik ko, sabi ko, I really need to lose some weight kasi hindi na kasya may clothes and all. So, ito yung pinagtsagaan ko.
Pero may parang ang laki, syempre, pag nag-lose ng weight, nag-iiba yung itsura natin. Parang, tulad kanina, hindi namin na-recognize.
Really?
Oo. Parang siguro si Meg Imperial yun.
Okay.
Oo. Naging maano ba yun? Parang isa ba yung sa mga adjustment mo? Syempre, parang mag-iiba yung appearance mo on screen sa mga tao.
Yes. Ang dami kong, I get a lot of like comments when I post like a video sa TikTok, sa Instagram, like, oh Meg, nagpa-retoke ka ba ng nose?
Ayun.
Tapos, nagpa-dagdag ka ba ng kasi humaba yung face mo. Sabi ko, hindi! So parang ang hirap to explain sa kanila that it's just that nag-lose ako ng weight. So, syempre, kasabay nun yung body mo. So, medyo parang hirap din explain, but I'm happy kasi I take that as a compliment, you know? So, yeah.
Siguro message na lang sa mga, especially yung mga nag-struggle sa PCOS.
Well, sa lahat ng mga babae nagsastruggle sa PCOS, all you have to do is, syempre, be aware of what you eat and stay healthy. So, tayo rin naman yung mag-aalaga sa atin. So, whatever the doctor will give us, it's just an added medication for us. But comes from the lifestyle talaga. So, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you!